What is up, y'all? It's your boy Jesse back at it with a brand new video. Hopefully y'all are having a good day because I know I haven't been posting a lot. I know. I'm trying to make up for it by this video. This is gonna be a oh fuck. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Oh fuck no, bro. Hell no. I'm doing it. Oh fuck no, bro. Can you stop, bro? Like what the hell wrong with you? Oh shit. Okay. That's just there's a motherfucking ghost in my room. Look at that. Fuck no, bro. I don't want to do this, man. Why now, bro? You will find a home up now. Now. Bitch. You good now? Okay, we're gonna have a story time today, y'all. I have the beanie on, because y'all know, I got my hair braided and shit. So, we got that beanie on, bro. So, damn, I look like a... Hey, what's up, S.A.? What's up, S.A.? Oh, you don't know what I mean, S.A.? Okay, I'm done with this shit, bro. Bro, I don't even want to do this video no more, man. I really don't want to do this video. But, nah, I ain't gonna let no stupid ass... Okay, y'all, so today we're doing a story time. I'm gonna tell you a story about my first motherfucking fight. And y'all know, story time. And, listen, bro. I haven't even ate yet, so... So, yeah, so story time of today is, bro, first time I fought, first fight. It was like a duel fight, like, bro, don't get distracted by this motherfucking, like, don't. You're not making me do this video over. You're not. No. Yeah. We're gonna do it dark. We're gonna do it dark. Now you can't do shit, nigga. We're gonna do it dark. In the dark. I'm pretty good. So basically, my first fight, I was in primary school. Actually, I fought before primary school, but I can't remember how that went down. I can't even remember the primary school one. So it was actually me and my boy Matt Dawson fought the same guy. Because we both didn't like him. Let's just say. So look, I came to school the one morning, right? I come into school, vibing, ready to start the day off, ready to have a good time and shit like that, you know, like, I just wanted to, like, just have a good day. And in the morning, we would play, hand tennis on the tall ground. So, you know, like, when you come, you wait your turn. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait my turn. So I came after this one brah. So it's me and then this one brah that must play. Okay? This one brah goes on. Boop, 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 boop. It's my turn. He got, he kicked out against this one night. Brah, I mean. He got kicked out. So I'm ready to go on. Put my bag down. I want to come on. It didn't come pushing me like, hey. Wait your turn, man. Wait your turn, man. Wait your turn, man. Wait your turn, man. Just wait your turn. It's not your turn yet. It's not your turn yet. Dumbass nigga. Wait your turn. So I'm like, bro, it's my turn. It's my turn. So he's like, no, it's not in there. So I pushed him, right? I'm like, nigga, it's my turn. So look, remember guys, the guy is. So, like, he's like, let's wait the turn. So I pushed him. He's like, what? I thought it was this boy. Like, smack me then. So I'm like, yo, I tell you, I'm getting my story mixed. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna smack you. He's like, now do it. So I'm like, bro, don't start with me. I'm gonna smack you. He's like, now do it. And I did. I did it. Someone tell you to smack them? What do? You stand there and hold your hands. No, you smack the shit out of it. Smack him, bro. I smacked him. Let's see how many people I can trigger with this thing here.
Oh, hello there!
Bad. No. Pause. I said no homo down.
Bro, this boy gay.
Pause. Stop.
Nah, you know
No.
you gay.
Mm-mm.
Bro, you got
No.
a white stain on your
No.
mouth. You
No.
gay as
Mm-mm.
hell,
No.
bro.
Mm-mm.
Bro, nigga,
think
you
that.
gay. I
No.
said you gay. Shout out, man.
No.
Stupid ass boy. I'm about white stains.
So look. Then I smacked him. And he's like, he pushes me. And then I'm like, okay, you pushed me. And then he tries to throw me with a tennis ball. Someone smacks you, and you want to throw them with a tennis ball. A tennis ball. I got 5 liters for that, bro. You a bitch. He misses. By the way, he misses. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna fuck the shit out of this nigga. No homo though. Pause, but I did. So, he misses. I'm like, oh, you just threw him with a ball? Go up, grab him. But remember, I was small. I didn't know how to fight. I just knew. You just gotta keep throwing punches. That was the sounds I was making. I'm joking. And then they break us up, and I'm like, so that was my first fight, low key. And then me and him fought again later that day, later in the week. And then my bruh Matthew Dawson still beat the shit out of him with his own motherfucking weapon. And that's another story for another story time. So if you want another story time, drop a like on this video. Just do it. You know you want to do it. You do. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry that I'm being so weird. So very loud and shit. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not making that mistake again. But yeah, y'all, that was just something quick. If you want a part 2 for this, the other fight, and the other story, let me know. As y'all see, I'll be out.
Ain't pop the molly, I ain't pop the perky, not even a E. Find a way, get away, there's another way, there's a better way. I wasn't paying attention when all my attention was needed.
If you wanna hear more, go check out the audio.